SEGA Genesis 16-bit headphone jack with a volume controller, on-off switch, reset button. That's where I put the cartridge in. We're going to see what's inside this thing. I've tried to sell it online, no one wants it because I don't have the cables, no controllers. I had some games, but nobody wanted to buy it. We marked it down to $5, so you're in luck. You're going to get to see what's inside. So we're going to take it, flip it on its top, see the screws. Well, maybe you can't see them, but I can. One behind the labels here, as they used to do. It feels like there might be one right there. So, I'm going to put the phone down as I unscrew everything, because I don't know where I put my tripod. And I can't find anything to put this on, so hold tight. Screw. And if you're wondering why I'm using a screwdriver like this, I cut my finger earlier today, and I don't need it to be opening up. Cut myself changing out the door locks, and there's one of those protective. Oh, I forgot about this. Forgot all about that. Anyway, we had one of those things that goes around the door lock like a sleeve, so I make sure that I guess no one can still pry the door open even if it's locked. And I cut my finger on it. Is there no screw here? I don't know. It's not coming apart. Someone's probably screaming at me on YouTube watching this, telling me where the other screw is. Well, all the screws I could see are out. This was no. Oh, my dog's over here wondering what's going on. Hi, girl. Since I'm not going to use it apart and I'm not breaking it, taking it apart, which is fine. I do have another one, so I'm not really missing out when I destroy this thing. Ooh. So as we could see, cartridge goes. Take this off next. My finger hurts. It's such a small cut too. Anyway, so if you've seen some of my videos, I don't usually talk this much. I had some people leaving me some comments about, oh, you should talk more. Well, that's fine. What am I going to really say? But then I saw a video where a guy wasn't talking at all, and I could see it's kind of annoying. So I'll take this time to say you should subscribe to the channel. Leave me some comments if you've ever taken one of these apart before. Leave me some comments if you would have bought it online but didn't. And leave me some comments about your memories playing this console. What was your favorite game? I was a big Madden player on this game. I had a friend that was virtually unbeatable. At least in our circle of friends. But we all have that one guy that seems to have that magic. Come on. I'm going to end up cutting myself on this. This is like super thin. Oh, there's one more. Oh, there's a lot of dust in there. What's inside a SEGA Genesis? A lot of dust. I remember I got this, I believe it was for Christmas. But, alas, don't want it anymore. Don't need it anymore. I got it Probably the second year after it was out. SEGA. I've watched some of the other more higher end people's videos about these and the processors that they use. It's very interesting. You should check their channels out. I think the 8-bit guy, well, maybe not. I don't know. But I've watched some people's video. Well, watch his channel anyway. He's pretty entertaining. So, something for the mood. Anyway, so now that you've liked the video, if you would please, if you've subscribed to the channel and you've left a comment, I'm going to go ahead and ask you to watch some of my other videos, comment on those, tell me if I'm rambling too much, if I'm maybe not even saying enough at all. I don't, see, this is the first time I've done this, so I really don't know where to look for anything, and I'm going to try to do minimal editing on this, so I don't really want to just be cutting back and forth. However, you might have to watch me kind of dally around with this thing. Someone's screaming, no, that's not the right way. There's a... There's got to be something down here. Nice screw hole, huh? How's holding this thing down here? It was just popped in with the plastic rivet somewhere. I wouldn't even see where that would be happening. Somebody's definitely holding the board in the middle. Over here. Probably one of those things where maybe you have to slide the board a certain direction first, but you can't. Yeah. Well, there's not much on the other side of the board in there anyway. If I can get a peek in there, because I don't think I'm getting this thing off. Screws, screws, everywhere, screws. There's got to be another screw somewhere holding this down. Like I said, someone's screaming at their computer, hopefully. Probably typing in a comment right now how stupid I look. I just don't see it. Well, you don't think it's... Oh, jeez, it probably is. Right where the cartridge goes. Maybe. Maybe this is it. Maybe it's not. We will find out. Ah! So they were there and there. So if you plan on taking yours apart, make sure that you take those screws out. Oh yes, the selector. Come down, selector. So, alright, well, thank you for watching the video. That's what's inside. There's just... looks like, what is that, old capacitor on the back of the board? That's all that's really on the back. So, thank you for watching. And you've already liked and subscribed, right? And left a comment, right? Alright. Thank you.